Trump administration has its own message. RFD-TV's Sarah Mock brings us the response.
The USDA chief was in Canada on Friday when President Trump announced Chinese tariffs. The secretary's message to farmers: his department will continue watching markets.
You can't demonstrate any damage on the day that tariffs are announced. And we're going to look at this very carefully. We're going to calculate. We have been calculating market impact on a weekly basis for a number of months now, frankly, as the conversation has progressed. When we can determine, and if we determine there is legitimate and lasting market impact based on market disruptions of tariffs and retaliation, then we're prepared to take action.
On what that action might look like, the secretary said it's too soon to say what USDA assistance to impacted farmers might be.
We'll make a calculation and determination in conjunction with the White House and Congress over what direction we can take. We've talked about this for several months now, about mitigation efforts and the president's commitment not to make farmers bear the brunt of these trade disruptions. It's still too early to talk about the mechanism or the quantification of that.
Perdue did say a determination of impact could be made in the coming weeks, though he cautioned that his department will be looking for impact beyond ordinary commodity price changes.
Our economist tells us that they have a very confident way of determining market impact versus normal trading and normal volatility of the commodity market. I think, again, we saw, frankly, a rise in soybeans earlier. So these the commodities are always in a roller coaster type of area. I don't think we can definitely say that this has been part of the trade disruption over the last few weeks. I haven't followed the commodity market that closely day by day, but I think it has had its ups and downs. It usually does.
Farmers and their representatives are pushing back, saying they've already seen a measurable impact of tariffs in terms of lost sales and lower prices. Anxiety in farm country is reaching a fever pitch, though some still hope there may be a method to the madness when it comes to the president's trade rhetoric. For RFD-TV, I'm Sarah Mock in Washington.
Well, thanks for that update, Sarah. Now, from one set of retaliatory tariffs to another, Mexico may up the ante in its reaction to U.S. duties on steel and aluminum imports.